Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, this topic is really interesting and honestly, it affects all of us. We are asleep every single night. But have you ever thought about what is actually inside your mattress? How is it made? What makes one mattress better than another? Today, I am going to take you on a complete journey from the very first raw material all the way to the mattress sitting in your bedroom. Trust me, by the end of the story, you will never look at your mattress the same way again. So, let's get started.
Initiating chemical composition scan on drum 23. Composition levels confirmed. Moving to next unit. Automated transport engaged. All levels nominal.
Manifest confirmed. Loading initiated. Pressure is stable. Flow is nominal. Morning. Paperwork, please. Looks good. You're clear for receiving. All drums accounted for. Automated vehicles are routing drums to their zones now.
Logging the incoming materials in real time.
Every drum is tracked and placed perfectly. Ratio locked in.
Program input complete. Initiating cut. Cut is active. Precision is perfect.
Unit looks solid. Machine is calibrated. Starting the cut. Cut is clean. Stacking now. Stacks are building up. Perfect.
Handles on, vents done.
Checking surface consistency now. Now the corner stitching. Pressure distribution is even. Applying quality certification label.
Attaching the premium brand law tag.
Robotic arm applying tamper evidence seal. Scanning all labels now. Labels scanned and logged successfully. The certified mattress is complete. Sending it to the packaging area. The robotic wrapper will begin now.
Dispatching order 47A2, retrieving from aisle 5, shelf 12. Confirming dispatch, crane is responding.
Order confirmed. Route 7.
Automated loading in progress. Sensors confirm optimal weight distribution. Truck is fully loaded and ready. All right, let's get these mattresses loaded. Moving them in now. Strapped and secure. Perfect. Truck's ready. Loading's complete. Trucks are ready for dispatch. Convoy is moving out.
Okay, turn right in half a mile. Signaling for the turn.
All right, we're here. Let's get this unloaded. Yep. Check the list first. I'll get the ramp.
Okay, let's get this one down. Got it. Ready on the lift? Careful, no damage. Let's get this new mattress set up. Careful unboxing it. Now for the premium bedding. Looks perfect. Light it up.
Welcome in. What brings you in today? We're looking for a new mattress. Great. We have a variety of styles here.
It looks so comfortable.
This one is a customer favorite. Feel free to test it out.
Oh wow, feel this.
Wow, that's incredible.
It's so supportive.
Watch how it comes back. 0 pressure points.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah, it just bounces right back. Exactly. It's all about support and recovery.
Okay, let's get this queen size. Add to cart and checkout. Payment details and submit. Yes, order confirmed. Delivery in 3 days.
My new mattress is here. Hi, right this way.
Your premium mattress delivery complete.
Thank you so much.